Hello friends, if you want to earn $50 a day just doing 5 to 10 minutes work without creating any videos, without any website, with ClickBank affiliate marketing, so this video is best for you. I just highly recommend you to subscribe this channel and with bell notification for upcoming best quality content on that particular channel. So let's get started. Now today I am going to revealing the secret of the YouTuber that the guru didn't talk about. So you need to just create a ClickBank account and one YouTube channel with logo and channel art. So for example, it's free to create an account at ClickBank and create an account that and select your niche. For example, I select it. Now after creating your account, you need to click on the marketplace, then you can see this page. So what you need to do, for example, these are the categories. I go to health and fitness, then I click on diet and weight loss, and then I found that particular product which is unlock your hip flexors. I just open like a new tab, and these are actually a product about tight hips. So now we need to just go to the YouTube and search this keyword. For example, unlock your hip flexors. Now for example, you don't know how to create a video or anything. It doesn't need any video, it doesn't need any skills to create video. All you need to just click on filters, then there is option, click on create comments, click there, and now you have free videos to use as your own, like 6 minute 12-second video, like 4 minute and you just need to download all these videos and just put it as your own. And on top of that, all you need to just click on promote section and enter your nickname, enter your tracking ID, click on create, and put this affiliate link on your browser. Okay, this link will be on your description box, on your description box, not a browser. And then when people coming, they are watching your video, they are impressed if the video are providing the quality. I think so these videos are providing quality, that's why they are top position, they are on the top position. And after that they click on your affiliate link, and when they purchase a product from your link, you get a commission. So $26 are the $26.77, and we will get 75% commission. So let me calculate, multiply 0.75, so we will get $20, I think so. No, maybe my mathematics are not much good, sorry, but actually you need to do calculator and you need to calculate it, whatever. So this is the simple strategies, and on the top of that, I need to just download a software known as TubeBuddy and download that. Actually it's not working right now, and do SEO of YouTube with this tool and you are good to go. So these are the actually videos of all the same channel on top of that. So just download that all videos and put in on your channel as your own, and you will never get banned or your YouTube channel is running. So I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment below, share with your friends. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe this YouTube channel with bell notification, and that's why you will get a lot of quality content. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.